Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are here with another unconventional gele. It's been so long I didn't get a video. I'm sorry guys for going MIA on you. So today our measurement is 45-55. Your 55 is the one that is going to cross on top to form the V. So we are making 8 to 9 plates and we are making do with a 3-hour gele, 75 3-hour gele. That's what we are making use of. You place at the back of your head, bring forward and cross, but your V is not going to be sent. It's not going to be at the center. You're not going to cross at the center. You're going to cross at any corner of your choice, as in that the side of your head or the side of your client's head. That's what we are trying to do today. We are not making the V at the center. As you can see, the longer one is the one that is going to be on top to cross. You get, so watch carefully. Can you see what I'm explaining? The shorter one goes under, the longer one goes on top, and your V is not at the center. Your V is at the side. Now when you cross, you take a pleat, pin down. You repeat the same thing on the other flap. Can you see what I'm doing? When you're done with that, you're now going to fold your gele into 2. Remember, we are making do with a 3-hour, not a 4-hour. So you're going to fold it into 2 as seen. Now you're going to put it round. It's as if you're forming a rose, but it's not necessarily a rose. You're just going to pass it around and pin it at the back. That's all. Wherever it stops, that's where you're going to pin. Now Shebi, you see that place, based on the fact that we folded into 2, it gave us a square like shape. So you see that edge, you're going to fold it so that it will give you the look or the shape of a circle. Then when you're done with that, you pin as seen. Pin at the back, pin, let it be frame. You get. Then for now, you can pin the other one to it, so that it's not going to show where you pinned when you cross, where you pinned. You get, you can pin it, or you wait after you pin everything. Like me, I pinned now, but I'm going to lose it when I'm done with everything. You're going to see what I'll do next. So we are done with the longer one. Now we are going over to the shorter one. Remember, we use the longer one to form the V, so automatically the shorter one is the one that is up. Now you see, when we crossed the first time, when we made our circle the first time, we moved from left hand, as you're seeing from your left hand side of the screen. We move from the left hand side of the screen to the right hand side of the screen. So we are still going to do the same thing for this short one. We are going to move from the left to the right. You get, move and pin, move around and pin. Can you see that place? You're going to do it the way you did the down part, as if to give that illusion of a circle shape or a circular style. You get. Now you go ahead to pin. Can you see? Pin to secure. Then that part that we did that illusion, also you're going to pin to secure, so that that part doesn't come up. You get. Now you start doing your finishing touches, but everything is step by step. We are almost done with our gele. What we are going to do now is just what's going to make it to look like what you saw in the thumbnail. So our gele is already coming together. Can you see? Now you see those two edges. You can leave it like that too, but for the style that I'm working with or that we are going to achieve. We are not going to leave those two edges like that, you get. So just keep watching. Let me don't bore you guys with too much talk. Now you go ahead to fold it to give that circular illusion again. You're going to pin as well. Now what we are going to do, can you see that as we pin that edge, those edges, the position of the pin, we are going to move it down so that it's going to come to the base of that first one that we did, you get. So watch carefully and see what I do. Can you see? We moved it to the down part of the gele. Now we are going to take both, like the up and the down, you pin together on this side. You repeat the same thing on the other side, to up and down you pin together, you get. Now you go ahead, that part that is showing in that downside, you know, we removed the pin. You're going to go ahead to cover it so that it doesn't show. Then you go ahead to do finishing touch. Finishing touch at this point means styling it, the, like, you know, bending it, pressing it in so that it will, you know, come out the way you want it. We are not going to do anything tedious or anything too much again. Well, this style was inspired by Beauty of BBN. This, I think, outfit for Heaven on Earth, the gele. That's what, you know, we tried to achieve here. Then they made use of sego, so you can make use of sego, you can make use of ashoke. If you're making use of sego, that's the short one like this one, you're going to do 45-55, you know, so that you have enough room and space to work with. Then if you're making do with the bridal gele, that's the sego bridal gele, that length 90, you're going to do 50-50. You go ahead, cover the back. If you're leaving out your client's hair, you open it, and that's just the style that, you know, I said let me come up with. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share my video. I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned. Bye.